It's your friend. Today we're going to make pork skins out of Fatback, which is pretty much what pork skins is. Fatback is pork skin, or the top layer of the pork, of the pig skin. So let's get into this package. You can get them in two ways: whole, which you get like this big slab, a couple of slabs, or you can get it like I get it, pre-sliced. See? Now, you can do two things. Some people wash the excessive salt off. Not me. Because all that salt is going to cook, and all that forever loving fat that is about to be cooked in. See, this is pork, so it's going to grease up real nicely. But some people who have dietary restrictions may want to rinse this off a little bit, and I think I might do that same thing, because come to think of it, that might be too much salt. So let me go get a little quick bowl. Just dip the fat back in the water, and the salt comes off fairly easily. And then we're gonna put it in there. Now, depends on how you want your pork skins to be. You can slice them up now, or you can slice them up later and put them in small strips. I like this one because it's pre-cut in small strips, so I don't have to struggle with cutting through the meat and all this other stuff. Now, if you look at it very carefully, I'm going to show you. This part is going to become the hard part of the crackling. This is going to be more of the soft. This is going to be the hard part. This is going to be more of the soft, mushy part. And as it cooks, you will be able to tell the difference. What I used to do is I scrape the mushy part away, because it's normally mushy. Not really mushy, but some people like it. I just cut it off so I can get the hard part. That's the part I like. So we're going to make a couple. Let you look what that looks like. And you know something? Actually, I've never tried this in the air fryer. So let's do that too. Let me get a couple. Actually, I'm going to wash a couple more, and we're going to do those in the air fryer, and then find out which one tastes best. Cool. All right, let me go ahead and put this in the oven. I'll be back. Okay. Air fried. Now, if you can see this rim here, that's what I'm talking about peeling off. You can eat it. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just not too fond of it. And there you go. An official pork rind. Now this is air fried. Now, to give you an idea of the difference between air frying and baking, 7 minutes. This is hard as a rock. God. You can add seasonings to this, cayenne pepper, whatever you want to. You can cater this. Wow, that is really good. I haven't had Fatback in so long. Probably gonna spike my cholesterol though. But 7 minutes in the air fryer, remarkable. Compared to baking, this took about 50 minutes to get it to the point where it needed to get. Same thing. I'll take that. Like I said, you can eat this little piece of, but I normally just take it off because I don't care for it much. It's too mushy. Okay, this is baked. I'll tell you. Got nice crunchy, greasy pork taste. You can't get around it. Wow. But if I had to choose between the two, I would do the air fry. It takes it takes a shorter time to cook than the bake, because the bake, once you bake it, you have to periodically go in and drain off the excessive fat, so it just doesn't sit there in the fat, because the all the skin won't get hard if it's sitting in the fat. So you need to drain off that extra fat, put it back in the oven, let it cook some more until it's ready. But when you're done, it is crunchy as all get out. So you officially know how to make your own crackling or pork skins out of Fatback. And you should be able to get this at your local store. Until next time, family, eat healthy, take care. Talk to you later.